All right, guys, it's been a little bit. I've been out of step, haven't been recording much lately. Extenuating circumstances, everybody knows who watches. But we're back, and I figure what better way to come back than to talk about AI. So I went to ChatGPT, whatever it's called, and said I need 3 cocktails. Make me 3 unique cocktails. So I'm just copy pasting what the chat bot decided to make. The first one is called Midnight Stargazer. So let's take a look. This is a gin drink too, so it's interesting. We need 1.5 ounces of gin. We're going to go with our Empress, naturally. It's my go-to gin. Do 1.5 ounces of that into our shaker, which already has ice in it because, you know, work smarter, not harder. We're going to need bartender's ketchup or elderflower liqueur, going with Saint Germain. 1/2 ounce of this beauty. Oh, that's a little more than 1/2 ounce. Oh, I'm just spilling everywhere. Oh, not 1/2 ounce. I'm so out of practice. There we go. 1/2 ounce. And I need a rag. Always making a mess. Always making a mess. We need 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. I'll roll this sucker out a little bit. And is my juicers over there? Just roll it out. Break up all those little capillaries. Look, it's like squishy now. It's gonna be a juicy shitting orange. Or lemon, even. That's 1/2 ounce of this guy. My other juicer is doity. Look at that. Oh, we need 1/4 ounce of lavender syrup. This is the first time I've ever used this in a drink. I am excited. Always with the things. Ooh. Ooh. That's interesting. So just 1/4 ounce of that. Just enough to get the flavor through it. And it calls for 4 dashes of orange bitters. I like to add a couple extra. Is this dasher? There we go. Now shake. All right. Strain this out into our rocks glass. The Midnight Stargazer. Wow. The gin is completely hidden in this drink. All you get is the lemon and just a little of the elderflower. This is something I envision a young couple drinking as they walk through fine gardens at midnight, stargazing, hence the name, I guess. I don't know. Thanks, ChatGPT. All right, this next one is not a ChatGPT or GDP, whatever, original, but we're going to do it anyway because it sounds good. Smoked maple old fashioned. We're going to break one of these cinnamon sticks in half. We're going to start smoking it, and we're going to set it to the side to smoke the glass up just for a second. Let it smoke in there just for a minute. So let that get all smoky, delicious in there. We'll take our smoky maple stick, set it to the side, put our ice cube in. We need 2 ounces of bourbon. Gonna go with just regular Weller Green. Tried and true Weller Green. 2 ounces in there. We're going to need 1/2 ounce of maple syrup. Oh, look at that. Delicious. And then, as ChatGPT said, a few dashes of orange bitters and Angostura bitters. So we will supply a few. What is that, like 5? I like bitters, if you can't tell. Then we're gonna need just a little bit of lemon twist. Man, that smoky, and it smells good. We're gonna throw this broken piece in there just so it can kind of make its way through the drink. I'm gonna stub out the ash, kind of burnt bit, break it off. These little broken pieces, just set them in the side there. So a little piece of lemon rind to garnish. Probably could have used a whole lemon for this, but it's okay. I'm already here. A little piece. Oh, dropped it. A Smoky Maple Old Fashioned. Oh, man. Oh, boy. It's really good. The maple is loud and Canadian proud. I don't even think maple syrup's Canadian. It is, the bourbon is warm and subtle. I picked Weller Green because it's a very middle of the road, not harsh, not high proof, but has a nice kind of like mellow flavor to it. That's pretty good. It's not a Chat GPT drink, but oh boy. You wanna try it? Actually, I dragged Miss in to help me with one of these for once.
It is good.
Isn't it?
Yeah. I like it.
Not bad. Next, AI Overlord created cocktail. This final Chat GPT Skynet drink is called the Tropical Hot Wave. It calls for jalapenos. I don't have jalapenos, so we're just skipping that part for now, I guess. Not much else to do. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with a cocktail, I guess would be a good place to start. We need 2 ounces of silver tequila, and we're using George Clooney's finest, Casamigos. I think that's the Clooney brand. Or is it? No, the Rock's brand is Terramana. Yeah, this is Clooney's brand. We need 2 ounces of that, an ounce of our agave syrup, thick and juicy. Just like how I like my women. Thick, juicy, and vaguely Hispanic. We need a half ounce of pineapple juice, or I'm sorry, an ounce of pineapple juice. Ounce it up. You like Spanish girls too, I don't know why you're giving me shit. Then we need an ounce of our lime juice. Now don't just immediately discard your lime because you're going to need it still. Ounce of our lime juice. Now what you're going to do is take the lime, set it to the side, set that over there for your wife to clean off. And then you're going to take tahini, dump a little bit on a plate, just a little, not too much. And you're going to take your used up lime peel, or lemon peel, and just rub it on the outside of about half the thing, and you're going to give this a nice tahini rim. Just the rim. But I'm going to do a half rim. So a nice half tahini rim, and you're going to shake. Shake, 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 shake your body. These martini glasses are inordinately big, so don't be surprised if it only fills up like half of it. We're going to take our concoction, strain it out. The Tropical Heat Wave. Little tahini. That is very tropical. Wow. The only thing I would add to this is if you happen to have some pineapple simple syrup. That's the only thing I might add to this. But this is damn good. The tahini rim really makes it. That's not bad at all. It's dangerous. That's a lot of tequila in a little drink, and it's really masked by the pineapple juice and the lemon juice. Whew. That's good. But guys, that's it for this video. I want to do one where I kind of use all of the different AI bots to make me cocktails, the Snapchat AI, the Open Journey, whatever, just to kind of see which one I like the best. But if I had to give this a ranking, all these cocktails have been fantastic. The Midnight Stargazer was amazing. The Smoked Maple Old Fashioned is great because I love bourbon and it's an old fashioned, so you can't really go wrong with it. But this is a new one I've never heard of, and this is really nice. Guys, thank you for watching. Please like, share, do all that stuff YouTube enjoys. Give these a shot and let me know what you think. And I'll see you all in the next one.